What to do when a guy is insecure? I know that you would come to me and tell me, Alex, this guy is insecure. He has a lack of self-confidence coming from his childhood, coming from his family, coming from his past love relationships. And so do you think that your technique will be able to adapt the situation? Do you think it will work on him? That is a very good question because usually you think that those techniques cannot work. For example, the no contact. Oh, but if he has a lack of self-confidence and I do the no contact, he will forget about me. He would think that I don't care about him. And so the idea is for you ladies to save him. The problem is you have tried this. If you watch my videos or if you find this video, it's because you have tried to save him, to help him, to give him confidence. And at the end of the day, it's just not working. There is something off. The reason why it's because there is the education that we receive from Disney, Hollywood, the society, or parents that tells us you need to help, you need to save him, you need to give him what he wants. And here you are with your favorite love coach that tells you it doesn't work this way. When a man is having a lack of self-confidence, you still need to apply the techniques. For example, the no contact. Yes, we won't do a no contact that will be very strict, but we will use a distance. What does it mean? We will do a step back, we will be a little bit distant because we want that person to see that we won't put pressure on him. When we have a lack of self-confidence and the person that we love is texting us, we feel that we need to respond. Now, if she's texting us or calling us and we are in a low energy and we need to do something, we will decide to break up. We will, especially men, we will say, oh, I don't feel available. I don't feel able to give back what she's giving me. And this is what you're trying to avoid in this situation. By letting him initiate, by letting him come to you, you're basically giving or making a gift. You're letting him see your value and see that you won't put pressure on him. That is my tip number one. Tip number two. Usually, that's true. When I do my videos, I say, you need to shine. You need to talk about your life. You need to be very positive because man loves the challenge. In this case, not really. You need to have a smile. We need to be positive, but very serene, very grounded. There is no like, woohoo! But at least I'm happy, I'm confident. So when he comes and talks to you, you are the positive light. You're not trying to save him. You're not trying to rescue him. You're not trying to give him a lesson on how can he stop being so in burnout or lacking some self-confidence. No, we are not trying to save him. We are not trying to teach him a lesson. No, we are just here positive, talking about your life, showing that you're happy, showing that you still continue to do your own things. Because this will lead to my tip number three. When a man has a self-confidence issue, he will always automatically be attracted to a woman that is very strong, that is very independent. So he will tell himself, she doesn't need me. And remember tip number one, when someone lacks of self-confidence in their mind, every time they have to do something, it becomes a challenge. It becomes difficult. It becomes an issue. So the reason why I'm doing this video and the reason why you need to change your mindset is because when he has a lack of self-confidence and you're independent, you will elevate him. You will make him feel that he's good, that he's changing for the better. Instead of you trying to please him, that won't help. That will put us in a position of being needy and available. So I have done a lot of videos on this channel, but remember, when he's insecure, when he has a lack of self-confidence, don't initiate first. You can do it after 10 days, but the first 10 days, let him come to you. Step number two, be the positive light. Because the more you are positive, little smirk on your face, it's good enough. Everything else, you will be like too eccentric for him. It will be too much. Number three, he wants to see you independent. So there is no need to save him. There is no need to put ourselves in his shoes. There is no need to Basically, give him what he wants. Because then you forget about you. You forget to be a challenge. And he will take you for granted. And that is not okay for us. So the one thing I want you to consider right now is to be very, very positive. The one thing that I want you to consider right now is that you can make it work. I would love for you to go grab some free gift in the description where I explain to you how to navigate the situation. If you want to work with me as your personal coach, very easy. You click in the description, you book a call with my success manager, and he will tell you if we can help and what is the best option. So we want to make sure that we do something tailored to your situation. Now, the good news is I've seen your case so much. I've seen you crying, not understanding what's going on, helping him so much, sending him money, sending him love, attention, and still he doesn't want to get back with you. And most of the time, he won't be able to explain why. It's because there is subconscious pressure in his mind. I am not good enough. I cannot give her back. I don't feel that, I want to be in a relationship. I don't feel I can think about someone else than me. That's why we take our time and we make the right decision. So ladies, you need to hit the like button. You need to subscribe right now, and I will see you soon for a new video. Bye-bye.